Welcome to the BHT Machine Channel. Today, we'll explore the world of modern and incredible machines, from powerful snow plows and advanced street cleaners to intelligent garbage collectors and high-performance lawn mowers. Join us to see how these technologies work and how they make our lives more convenient. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any exciting videos. In this video, we'll explore the innovative AMCW cleaning device, designed specifically for cleaning various roadside barriers, including cable barriers. This advanced machine is equipped with 2 brush shafts, each 1 meter long and with bristles 920 millimeters in diameter. This design allows it to efficiently clean double and triple barriers in a single sweep. The hydraulic control system enables seamless operation directly from the driver's cabin, enhancing both efficiency and safety during use. Let's dive in and see how this impressive device works in real-life conditions. In this video, we'll showcase the AM3700 HMD snowplow blade, introduced in 2016. Combining the efficiency of a diagonal plow with flexible iFlex components, it's built for extreme polar conditions. With speeds up to 70 kilometers per hour and a working width of 2,700 millimeters to 3,650 millimeters, it's perfect for clearing snow on wide roads. Next, we'll explore the snowblower mounted on the Kirovet's K701 tractor platform, one of the most powerful and efficient snow clearing machines. Designed for clearing snow on highways and in cities, as well as for breaking new paths in fresh snow, this snowblower is built for tough conditions. Equipped with a powerful engine, it can effectively handle various types of snow, including wet and compacted snow. It operates in temperatures ranging from -40°C to +40°C, ensuring stable performance in all weather conditions. Let's see how this machine performs in action. In the next video, we'll explore the ECOB Event Cleaning 17 leaf collection system, specifically designed for large areas like stadiums, parks, and outdoor events. This system combines powerful leaf suction with a flexible design, allowing it to work on various surfaces. Equipped with advanced technology, the ECOB system quickly and efficiently collects leaves and debris, saving time while ensuring thorough cleaning, making the area ready for upcoming events. It has been used in major events like Tomorrowland, proving its effectiveness and reliability in maintaining cleanliness over large areas. Let's watch the video to see the ECOB Event Cleaning 17 system in action. We are now standing before an advanced technology in street cleaning, the AMCW road washer from Arctic Machine Oy. Specially designed to meet the needs of cleaning roads in urban areas, this machine is not just a powerful tool, but an effective solution to the challenges of maintaining environmental cleanliness in cities. In addition to its high-capacity water pump system, the AMCW is equipped with a variety of nozzles, allowing for flexible adjustments to clean all types of surfaces, from asphalt to concrete, and even cobblestone sidewalks. Notably, its ability to move the washing head sideways enables it to clean hard-to-reach areas without the need to drive the truck into those spaces, ensuring that roads and infrastructure remain clean and safe. The automated control system and a 20-meter-long power cord help the machine operate efficiently without excessive movement. The machine can even suck water from open water sources, such as lakes or rivers, offering maximum flexibility and reducing dependence on local water supplies. We also can't overlook the AMCW's impressive versatility in cleaning various areas, from busy streets to large public spaces like parks and sidewalks. It's an indispensable tool in maintaining urban cleanliness, ensuring a healthy and beautiful environment for everyone. Let's watch the AMCW road washer in action to see its power and effectiveness in maintaining cleanliness in modern cities. In recent years, street cleaning technology has made remarkable progress, and one standout system in this industry is the ECOB Brush system from Jarenco Equipment BV. Designed to optimize cleaning efficiency while minimizing environmental impact, ECOB Brush is not just a working tool, but a step forward in maintaining urban cleanliness. Featuring brushes made from recycled plastic, the ECOB Brush system offers a solution that is both durable and eco-friendly. The use of this material helps reduce noise and dust during operation, while enhancing the effectiveness of cleaning road surfaces from busy streets to quiet public areas. A key feature of this system is the easy replaceability of the brushes, which helps save time and maintenance costs. This makes the ECOB Brush system an ideal choice for cities and industrial areas where continuous and efficient cleaning is in high demand. In addition to optimizing functionality, ECOB Brush also offers significant environmental benefits. By using recycled materials and minimizing waste during production, this system contributes to protecting our planet while maintaining high quality and performance standards. In the challenging task of cleaning and maintaining hard-to-reach areas, the Iris Deltra 2.0 has proven itself to be a powerful and reliable tool. With its special track design and remote control system, the machine can easily navigate rugged terrains such as slopes, marshy ground, or uneven surfaces, places where other vehicles cannot reach. Powered by a 25 horsepower 3-cylinder Kubota diesel engine, the Iris Deltra 2.0 operates not only with impressive power, but also with long-lasting durability, providing outstanding performance. Its automatic cooling system with a reversible fan function ensures stable operation even in harsh environmental conditions. One of the remarkable features of the Iris Deltra 2.0 is the hydraulic track width adjustment, which allows the machine to change its width from 1280 millimeters to 1700 millimeters. This flexibility makes it adaptable to various terrains and job requirements. Not only is the machine structurally powerful, but its hydraulic system is also impressive. With a flow rate of 60 liters per minute and a pressure of 250 bar, this system provides enough power to operate attachments like lawnmowers, wood chippers, and other tools, ensuring optimal cleaning efficiency. What's particularly notable is the machine's ability to work on slopes with an incline of up to 6 degrees, allowing it to access and clean difficult areas that other vehicles can't reach. With such versatility and power, the Iris Deltra 2.0 has become an invaluable asset in maintaining cleanliness in hard-to-reach areas. In the harsh winter months, when heavy snowfall makes travel difficult, the snow broom system on the UAZ provides an effective solution to keep roads clear and safe. Today's video takes us to a familiar yet impressive sight. The UAZ equipped with a powerful snow broom cutting through a thick layer of snow, ranging from 30 to 40 centimeters, and clearing a path for vehicles to pass. With its sturdy design and excellent load-bearing capacity, the UAZ is equipped with a snow broom that easily handles snow-covered roads. The broom is effective even in deep, compacted snow, enabling it to widen the travel space for other vehicles. The snow broom system is designed with adjustable angles and sweeping force, allowing it to clean even the most hard-to-reach areas. What makes the UAZ snow broom especially useful is its ability to work not only on wide roads, but also in narrow areas, such as trails or small residential streets, ensuring safety for all during the winter. Furthermore, the UAZ, being a compact yet powerful vehicle, is agile enough to access difficult areas that larger machines cannot reach. The Snow Broom system not only helps reduce the risk of accidents caused by icy roads, but also ensures the functioning of important infrastructure such as schools, hospitals, and public spaces. Thanks to the Snow Broom's efficiency, snow removal and clearing are quicker and more time-saving, minimizing disruptions to the community's daily activities.